Canada, officially known as the Dominion of Canada, is the second largest country in the world by land area, covering nearly 9.98 million square kilometers, 3.85 million square miles. It is located in the northern part of North America and stretches from the Atlantic Ocean in the east to the Pacific Ocean in the west and northward into the Arctic Ocean. The vastness of Canada's geography is matched only by the richness of its natural beauty, its political stability, and its global reputation as a peaceful and progressive nation. With a population of approximately 40 million people, Canada has one of the lowest population densities in the world, contributing to its open landscapes and preserved natural environments. Canada is bordered by only one country, the United States, to the south, with which it shares the world's longest undefended land border. Its northern regions are home to the Arctic tundra, glaciers, and countless islands, including the vast Baffin Island. Canada also shares maritime boundaries with Greenland, a territory of Denmark, and France, through the French islands of St. Pierre and Miquelon near Newfoundland. The capital city is Ottawa, located in the province of Ontario. While Ottawa houses the country's federal institutions, two of Canada's most globally recognized cities are Toronto, the largest city and economic hub, and Vancouver, a vibrant coastal city known for its cultural diversity and scenic beauty. Other major cities include Montreal, a center of French-Canadian culture, Calgary, known for its oil industry and proximity to the Rocky Mountains, and Edmonton, Winnipeg, Halifax, and Quebec City, each offering a unique regional character. Canada is a constitutional monarchy and a parliamentary democracy. It recognizes King Charles III as its ceremonial head of state, represented domestically by the Governor-General of Canada. The real executive power lies with the elected Prime Minister and Parliament. The Canadian political system emphasizes federalism, meaning powers are shared between the federal government and 10 provinces and 3 territories, each with its own legislature and premier. Canada's global image is shaped by its commitment to multiculturalism, human rights, environmental protection, and peacekeeping. It consistently ranks high on global indices for quality of life, education, safety, and economic freedom. The country has welcomed millions of immigrants from around the world, contributing to its cultural diversity and labor force. It recognizes 2 official languages, English and French, and prides itself on promoting bilingualism and the unique heritage of the Francophone population, particularly in Quebec. Indigenous peoples, including the First Nations, Inuit, and Métis, are an integral part of Canada's history and identity. Their traditional territories span the entire country, and despite centuries of colonization and systemic injustice, Indigenous communities continue to preserve their languages, cultures, and political voices. Reconciliation with Indigenous peoples is a major focus of modern Canadian policy and national discourse. Canada is rich in natural resources, including vast forests, freshwater lakes, oil and gas field, minerals, and arable land. Its landscape includes the Rocky Mountains, prairies, Great Lakes, boreal forests, and Arctic tundra. It is also home to unique wildlife, such as moose, bears, beavers, wolves, and polar bears. The country has one of the world's largest supplies of fresh water, with over 2 million lakes, more than the rest of the world combined. This abundance supports Canada's agriculture, hydropower, tourism, and recreational activities. The Canadian economy is highly developed and ranks among the largest in the world. It relies on a mix of natural resource extraction, manufacturing, technology, services, and international trade. The United States is Canada's largest trading partner, but Canada is increasingly engaging with Europe and Asia through trade agreements like CETA and CPTPP. In addition to its economic strength, Canada is a leader in education and healthcare. Publicly funded healthcare is a hallmark of the Canadian identity, offering universal access to essential medical services. Its education system, especially at the university level, is recognized for quality and innovation. Canadian institutions like the University of Toronto, McGill University, and the University of British Columbia attract students from around the globe. Canada's cultural identity is shaped by both Indigenous roots and the global mosaic of immigrants. It celebrates a wide range of cultural festivals, cuisines, traditions, and arts. Its literature, film, and music, represented by artists like Leonard Cohen, Margaret Atwood, Celine Dion, and Drake, are known worldwide. Canada also hosts international events such as the Toronto International Film Festival, TIFF, the Calgary Stampede, and Winterlude. A founding member of the United Nations, NATO, and the Commonwealth, Canada maintains strong diplomatic ties and often plays a mediating role in global conflicts. Its foreign policy emphasizes diplomacy, development, and peacekeeping over aggression or unilateralism. Canada is also a participant in global climate negotiations and has committed to reducing greenhouse gas emissions under the Paris Agreement. In recent years, Canada has faced challenges such as housing affordability, systemic racism, climate-related disasters, and the need to reconcile with its Indigenous peoples over historical injustices, such as the residential school system. Yet, Canada remains a nation characterized by resilience, inclusivity, and democratic values, navigating the 21st century with both humility and ambition.